As some of you may be aware, whilst I'm sitting here in this wonderful Dartford rush hour traffic, I've been running Google AI, or letting Google AI manage our ads for about 3 weeks. It started off, the cost per acquisition was about 20%, and it's got down now to 17 3/4. You compare that to our January figures, and the CPA with a manual campaign was running at 12.5. So it's more expensive. It's more expensive by about sort of 6-7%. However, it doesn't require anywhere near the amount of management. So we would spend maybe 10 hours a month on our ads, just managing it. And the cost of that, if we were billing out our time, would be £760 a month. And it just does not require that kind of level of input. So although we're not getting the same amount of cost per acquisition, we're saving money on the management fee. So it's a win. And I can imagine in a couple of weeks it will only improve, because we've been running it for 3 weeks and some of our customers take up to a month to purchase, so they haven't even factored into this yet. The artificial intelligence still has to learn. It needs 15 solid days, and I have tinkered around with the feed several times, as you know, in the last couple of weeks. And I then also increased the budget last week. I doubled what we were going to spend to £150 per day. So I haven't really given it full rein to do what it does best and to learn with a fixed budget. So it's actually looking rather good, and we will continue with using Smart Shopping, and I will recommend it to people. If you have a shopping cart with a clear checkout process and you've got more than 30 checkouts in the last 45 days, I thoroughly recommend using Google Smart Shopping, particularly if you're spending 10 hours a month on Google Ads, managing it yourself or with an agency. It really is quite cost effective. Whether it will continue to learn and become cheaper as well, that's quite exciting. And also it will give me the depth. I can promote far more products through it, which again, you know, to manage another 100,000 products would have taken us 2-3 months with the campaign management, removing all the negative keywords and things like that. So I can say, I think I can thoroughly recommend Google Smart Shopping for the right kind of reasons. And well, good luck with it if you choose to use it.